Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make this Ninja Foodi everything chicken, and this is a one pot dinner. So you're going to make your veggies and your chicken all in one, and it takes just about 25 minutes. So this is the perfect go-to recipe if you need something quick, easy, frugal, and in less than 30 minutes. So the first thing we're going to need to do is get our ingredients together. You are going to need 6 chicken drumsticks, everything bagel seasoning, 4 cups of small potatoes halved or quartered, 10 ounces of frozen green beans, and grapeseed oil cooking spray. And the everything bagel seasoning is going to be in the seasoning and herb aisle of your grocery store. It's the same seasoning that they use on everything bagels, but it's all in one little jar. And it's great to flavor several things, and this time we're going to use it for chicken. So the first thing you need to do is coat the pot of the Ninja Foodi with your oil spray, and then you're going to add your potatoes and green beans right into the bottom of the pot. And I am just using regular potatoes. You can use the baby potatoes, just cut in half too. Either one. They will all work the same way. And if you want, you can give them a coat of oil spray and a little garlic salt if you prefer. So then you're going to need to put the wire rack in, and you want this in the high position. It does take a minute or two to get that in there correctly because you're having to go through the vegetables. So once you get that in, you're going to add your chicken drumsticks right on top. You're going to coat these with your oil spray, and then you're going to coat them with your everything bagel seasoning. I just kind of go eyeball it and add the seasoning. So you can do the same thing, or you can add a specific amount if you want. I'm just adding that to each one. And as you can see, I got some funky bones in this chicken with how it was cut, but it turned out great anyway. So I have got that all in here, and then I'm going to put the air crisp lid onto the Ninja Foodi, and I'm going to cook this at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. I do suggest you check on it around 20 minutes. You need to check the chicken. It needs to be at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit to be well done. And you can flip this over halfway through as well to get it evenly cooked on both sides. If you flip it over, you can add some additional cooking oil spray and seasoning too, which is normally what I do whenever I'm making this. But you can do it either way. It's going to come out perfect. So once you have the meat checked, if it is now 165 degrees Fahrenheit, go ahead and remove your meat and remove the wire rack, and then just stir up the veggies, give it a nice little mix, and add in some more oil spray if needed, if they're looking a little dry, and then just add about 5 more minutes to the cooking time for the veggies or to your preferred doneness. So we like them extra crispy. So we sometimes add a little more than 5 minutes, but it's totally up to you there on your preference. So once you have that done, you are ready to serve them. So this usually takes me about 25 minutes from start to finish. And you can continue cooking more drumsticks as well if you wanted to. But this is what the veggies will look like and the chicken once you have that all cooked. And then you have a really easy frugal meal in less than 30 minutes. You can find this recipe and more. This one is also gluten-free. Over on mommyhatescooking.com, I have hundreds of Ninja Foodi recipes. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you do not miss the next one. And I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this Ninja Foodi everything chicken.